Mobile clinics can bring hope to your community, but without proper preparation, that hope can be a disaster. That's why we created the Mobile Clinic pre-trip checklist. It covers everything you want to check before driving off, and it works whether you bought your clinic from AVAN or somebody else. I'm going to go over everything in this video, but do yourself a favor and pause the video, download the checklist in the link below, and come back to the video and we'll go through everything together. First up is the vehicle inspection. We're going to want to check the engine oil, inspect the coolant and brake fluid levels, test the headlights, brake lights, and turn signals, check the tire pressure, making sure the tread is in good condition, inspect our windshield wipers and our windshield wiper fluid, medical equipment, make sure everything is securely stored, our HVAC systems, make sure that they're all functioning, interior lights, ensure that they're operational, and test our power outlets and charging stations. We then move on to documentation and communication. So our patient and intake forms are available, HIPAA compliance for patient data, consent forms, medical history, templates, check mobile phones and chargers, reliable internet access for our telemedicine programs and EMR programs, and make sure we have emergency contact numbers. Next is operational readiness. Failing to plan is planning to fail. We want to verify our staffing schedules and make sure that everybody's roles are clear. We want to have our pre-trip goals briefing. We want to plan the route and make sure that everybody knows the schedule. Confirm our GPS is working. We certainly don't want to get lost out there. And identify backup locations in case of emergencies. The last but not least is our safety and compliance. This is really important to check every time. We want to make sure that our licenses and certifications are current. We want to check and make sure that the vehicle insurance and registration is up to date. Review all of our safety protocols, review emergency procedures, want to make sure that our clinic space is clean and starting out sanitized, implement infection control measures, and dispose of any medical waste properly. As you can see, there's a lot more to running a mobile clinic than just hopping in behind the wheel and taking off. If you haven't already, download our mobile clinic pre-trip checklist so your organization is always ready. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below and we'll answer them there. We're always happy to help.